Don't you think Persian food is unforgettable for its smoky aroma and bold flavors?
Most of the time, I love exploring recipes I've never tried.
Today I'm making Kabob Koobideh, a Persian ground meat kebab. My friend Fatima recommended it to me and it's one of her favorites. Really elegant, almost like a princess.
In Iran, Koobideh is one of the most common dishes, served at both family tables and restaurants. It's hearty, flavorful, and usually enjoyed with saffron rice and dew, the yogurt drink, traditionally grilled over charcoal. But today I'll show you how to make it at home with a grill pan. Let's get started. First, blend the onion in a mixer. Then squeeze out all the juice. Removing the juice keeps the kebabs from falling apart. Combine the beef, onion, garlic, egg, and spices. Then knead until sticky and cohesive. Kneading well makes the mixture cling firmly to the skewers. And shape the meat around the skewers. Put it on a grill pan over medium heat. Quickly sear both sides to set the shape, then cook through carefully. Wrap the kebabs in foil. Let them rest. Serve on the plate with saffron rice and grilled vegetables. Brush with melted batter. Enjoy with dew, the Persian yogurt drink. This looks amazing. It's so satisfying. Traditionally, alcohol isn't part of the culture, but honestly, I feel like it would go perfectly with the drink. This dish shows why Persian food is so special. Thanks to Fatima for introducing me to it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.